Let's go through adding a POA in SkySlope from start to finish. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to apps and go to forms because we always start first in forms and create our file. So I'm just going to create a new file. This will just be, say a seller. I'm going to check that this client is a company, trust, or other entity so that I can say POA for John Snow. This is Bert Snow at. I could import data in. I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3 test street testing town. There we go. No. And then I'm just going to add I only have access to the North Carolina, so I'm just going to do the North Carolina resale here. Create things. Once this loads up, I'm going to grab the documents that I want. So we'll just grab 4 documents for now. Fill and send. And so you're doing all this as you normally would. We can see here, I can update this now. But we would just go out and fill this document out just like we normally would. And so now we're just going to prepare signature. We can rename the envelope as we want. Who needs to sign? And just click in so that we're going to go into the DigiSign part. Once there, the first thing that we're going to do is go over to recipients to the left, click the 3 dots, and then click edit recipients. I'm going to edit POA for John Snow, and I'm going to change this to say Bert Snow, who was our representative, and save. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the form, and so where this says POA for John Snow, I can write that initial in. If we needed to put Bert Snow, I can do this text field, read only, and put in Bert Snow, POA for John Snow, and then I can get out of that. And so then we'll just go through the signatures. So see right here, we might need to add in that a little extra down here where it will say Bert Snow, POA for John Snow. Read only, or I could put it up here and put in Bert Snow. Just really remember that you want to do this read only. So wherever you need to put it with the signature as you're scrolling through, just remember you're using this text field and then you're changing it to read only. And that's how you can set up a POA in SkySlope.